Alright, this is Lamar 966, and I'm gonna just shoot a target over there. I have a clay target, and then I have a target with numbers and letters on it. And I'm using my Beretta M9 metal slide, plastic handle, metal inner working. Loading up. This clip, it's modded. Can't really see on this camera, but like I have a clip right here so that it holds back and I can load it faster. It's easier. So my Beretta M9 airsoft pistol spring. It's pretty good. I fixed it to where it stopped jamming, so it's pretty good. Yeah. So right there is the target. You probably can't see. Let me get closer. That's the target. Just watch. I know I got a pretty crappy camera. I should be getting my camera soon. So here we go. First shot. Right at M9. Second shot. Third shot. Fourth shot. Fifth shot. Sixth shot. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's empty. So as you can see right here, it's pretty good grouping around this area here. Really good grouping. It's a really good second arm weapon. I mean, like, really good. Second arm weapon is pretty reliable. But yep, doing pretty good. So later on tonight, I might have some more accuracy tests, and I'll be showing you guys how to make my speed loader. Because for some reason on YouTube, they don't have any speed loaders for pistols. It's normally for a shotgun. So subscribe. I'm out. That's Lamar 966. Please subscribe. Deuces.